Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to update your Hyundai Elantra software. Keeping your infotainment system current brings many benefits, like new features and improved navigation maps. You can easily perform this update yourself, saving a trip to the dealership. We will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful installation process. Let's get started and give your Elantra the latest technology. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a personal computer, either a Windows PC or a Mac. Next, prepare a USB flash drive with a minimum capacity of 64 gigabytes. Some updates can be quite large, around 25 gigabytes. It is crucial that this USB drive is formatted to XFAT to ensure proper recognition by your Hyundai system. Make sure to back up any important data on the drive first. Now, let's get the update files. First, navigate to the official Hyundai Navigation Update website on your computer. There, you will download the specific Navigation Updater application for your operating system. Once installed, open the application, select your Elantra model, and follow the prompts to download the update files. The application will then guide you to transfer these files directly onto your prepared USB drive, formatting it in the process. With the update on your USB, head to your Elantra. Start the vehicle and insert the USB drive into the designated media port, usually near the center console. On your infotainment screen, go to Setup, then General, and select SW Info/Update. Choose to begin the update. The installation can take up to 2 hours, so keep the car running initially. Do not remove the USB or turn off the car until the update is fully complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.